Google Forms tutorial, how to use Google Forms as a complete beginner. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Forms as an absolute beginner and share your forms with people, with your teammates, with your companies, and to basically conduct surveys as well. So firstly, when you come on to googleforms.com, now I want you to click on go to Google Forms. Now once you click here, that is basically going to take you over to the Google Forms section. So now from over here, you can essentially create yourself any form that you want. So now from over here, I want you to click on the template gallery. So once you click on the template gallery, after that, you will see all these different templates come up. Now, if you want to save time, if you don't want to design a custom form from scratch, well, you can use their templates. Like for example, if it's a job application, you can simply use this particular template. If it's a time of request, you can use this template. If it's a work request, you can use this template. And similarly, if it's an assessment, worksheet, course evaluation, you have templates for all those things over here. Like basically you can get started within minutes of choosing a template by basically changing the names of the fields and just sharing it ASAP. But if you don't want to use any of these templates, you can also create a blank document as well, which we're gonna do right now. So click on this plus button. After that, wait for a couple of seconds, and then from over here you basically have your basic form layout. So over here you have the form title, the form description, the questions option, and also a multiple choice option over here as well. Now you can change it to a checkbox option or like a linear scale option, or maybe even a drop down option as well, and you can add as many options over here as you would like. So now from over here, I want you to simply type in a form description. But before you do that, simply type in over here market research for clothing. So this can be anything that you want to do, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna type this in. Now once you type this in, simply put in a description over here as well. Type in something about your topic. So hi, we are conducting this survey to better the decisions of our clothing brand, which is gonna launch soon. So once you type in a description, after that, all that you need to do now is simply add questions related to that. So firstly, we have the first question. Now, if you were to select all of this, you can literally type in anything over here. So I'm going to type in what type of clothes would you like to see? So once I type in this, well, after that, so now from over here, you basically have a question. Now you can essentially change the options, or depending upon what type of answer you would like for this particular option, you can change that from over here too. So if you want people to answer in free text, choose paragraph, or if you want short answers, you can choose the short answer button. And then similarly, if you want people to upload files, basically if this was a job application, you can ask people over here, please attach your CV, and then simply choose this particular option called file upload, and people can simply upload their CVs. So that is the general idea. So now from over here, I'm going to choose a paragraph. So people can ask in a paragraph. Now basically have set up your first question. Now you can either check this box to make this the requirement. If people don't answer this, people can submit the document. Basically they just have to answer this. So click on this plus button from the top right if you want to add more questions. So now click on this plus button, and then that is going to basically add more questions. So now over here you can type in anything. For example, you can type in over here, what stuff would you like the clothes to have? Questions like these really are going to help you do some market research for absolutely free, and essentially just give you answers to your own questions, who is going to buy my product, what products would I sell, what is their demand of. So to get answers to all of these questions, simply ask as many of these questions as you can. So now once I've done this, I can add a multiple choice option. I can add other, and then I can basically add another option as well. So I can type in over here. So there I have just put in the names of some of the stuff that clothes are sold in. So now over here, simply if people want Neelam, they can choose Neelam. If people want cotton, they can choose cotton. And then if people want some other stuff that you might not know about, they can simply type in others over here. So essentially very, very simple and very straightforward. And I'm going to make this required. And also this question is required as well. Now, once you have these questions set up, now you can essentially put in titles or descriptions. You can add images over here as well. You can add videos too. and you can also add sections. So like I'm gonna add a video, and then for that video I can like simply go to youtube.com, and then for youtube.com I can like simply type in clothing, and I can simply pick any one of these videos. So like once I copy the links of these videos, now I can simply paste the link over here and click on the search button, and then simply click on submit. So like once I click on select, now this video is gonna play over here, and we can type in a demo of our clothing. So like the main purpose of having a video over here is like, let's say you are teaching kids, you can have like, your class videos over here, and children can literally answer questions like you have questions over here. So like it is that easy, and that is basically the general idea of this whole particular form. So now from over here, you can essentially modify your form as well by clicking on the top right and clicking on customize theme. Then you can change the colors of your form, the overall ambience, like basically what do you want people to feel. Whatever you want them to feel, you can have a form which corresponds to that. Then you can even have different background colors as well, and then similarly basically change the font to something else. It's you if you want it to be like a bit funky. So now once you are all done with this, now you can simply click on this eye to basically view this form as a person who is gonna like come up on this form to sign up. So like this is the basic preview, and now I want you to come back, and once you are satisfied with your form, click on the top right and then simply send this form via email to anybody, or simply click on this button and then simply copy this particular link. You can even shorten the URL as well to make it look much more pretty. You can copy this and you can simply like share it with your friends and family anywhere if you want to, and you can simply get like responses from them. Now once you have shared this with like a lot of people, after that you can simply click on responses from over here, and then once you click on responses, now you can basically see all the responses that you've gotten from people from all around the world, or like from your friends and family, or like whoever you shared this form with. So like honestly, it is very very simple, and it doesn't require a lot of knowledge. So let's say you don't want to create a custom form, you want to use a template. Well guys, it is pretty much the same. So let's say if you want to like create an event feedback form, click on the event feedback option, and then wait for a couple of seconds. The form is going to load up, and now you can literally double tap anywhere and modify anything, add more options, remove options if you want to, and like essentially just make it really custom by not doing much work. So guys, essentially this is how you use Google Forms. But guys, if you still face any problems, if you still face any confusions, you guys can always reach out to me via the comment section, because again, I'm gonna say it again, like any problem, any issues whatsoever, I'm right here to deal with them. And if any website does not work, if you see anything out of the ordinary, you let me know in the comments down below, and I will make sure that it is fixed, and I will give you an alternate version. And I hope that this video helped you guys out a lot. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.